Alright, finally on show! This is gonna be so cool!
I do wonder who our first opponent will be.
Oh no.
What?
Who will our first villain be? Hello, Robin. Oh, come on!
What's wrong?
Yes, Robin, what is the problem?
It was so predictable!
Well, he does kind of have a point, Deathstroke.
Shouldn't we be calling him Slade?
Does anyone really care?
The Teen Titans Animated Series fanboys do.
Could you just tell us where you are already?
You think I'd give up my location that easily?
Yeah?
Okay, fine. Just meet me at the docks. Glad you can make it, Titans. Who is my first challenger?
Challenger?
You all face me one by one, and we will see who the strongest Teen Titan.
Me first.
Too easy.
Alright, my turn.
Prepare for a battle, Deathstroke. Looks like I'm up.
This is it, Deathstroke. Now you all die.
Looks like I saved you again, Robin.
Really, Bruce?